నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. అమ్మా ప్లీజ్ నన్ను కదిలించకు, ఇప్పుడు నేనేం తినను విసుక్కుంటుంది 10వ తరగతి చదువుతోన్న స్వప్నిక. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలమ్మా, పెరుగు తింటే నిద్రొస్తుందని అంటూ అమ్మ మీద చిరాకు పడతాడు ఇంటర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఉన్న శ్రీకర్. వీళ్ళిద్దరే కాదు, ఇంట్లో పిల్లలున్న అమ్మలందరికీ ఇలాంటివన్నీ అనుభవాలు జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. అసలే పరీక్షలు, తినకపోతే మరీ నిరసపడతారన్నది తల్లి ఆందోళన. దాంతో వాళ్ళకిష్టమైనవనో చేసి పెడుతూ ఉంటారు. కానీ అది సరికాదు. మామూలుగానే పిల్లలకు పోషకాహారాన్ని ఇవ్వాలి. ఇక పరీక్షల వేళ మరింత జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి అని హెచ్చరిస్తున్నారు నిపుణులు. మనం రోజు తినే ఆహారంలో కొన్ని పదార్థాలు గ్యాస్ట్రైటిస్ అసౌకర్యాన్ని కలిగిస్తాయి, మరికొన్ని నిద్ర బద్ధకాలకు దారితీస్తాయి. అలాగే కొన్ని పదార్థాలు మెదడును చురుకుగా మార్చి శక్తిని అందిస్తే మరికొన్ని ఏకాగ్రతను పెంచుతాయి, ఇంకొన్ని ఒత్తిడి ఆందోళనను తగ్గిస్తాయి. కాబట్టి పరీక్షల ముందు పిల్లలకిచ్చే ఆహారంలో తల్లులు కొన్ని నియమాలను తప్పక పాటించాలి. ఇక మరిన్ని ఆసక్తికరమైన విషయాలు తెలుసుకోబోయే ముందు ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్ చూద్దాం.
Hi, my name is Purvi from Akhya and my studio name goes by the label Theme Tatvakala. And I make ceramic products like both the home decor products. It's a handmade slab built vase with a very raw texture and some very pretty carvings done on it. And this can be used, it's an ikebana vase and it goes anywhere in the living room, on your shelves. They look very pretty and sleek. Again, this is a slab built vase and it's like a 2D to 3D finish look. So basically I have left it raw because I really love showing the color of the clay and the finish of the clay. It looks really nice raw, and I've painted it with a cat showing as a fish tail, so it's more like related to fish and the cat. Form is a very feminine shaped form, like it's got a U-turn on the, so it's like a very easy to hold vase. And basically I've carved it and used really nice pretty blue color to give it a raw look, and it looks very niche when it's kept in the living room home decor. It's a Kurinuki sake pora, built completely handmade, and I just love how the texture feels. Again, it's raw finish, and it just gives a very suede effect, and just the blend of the colors, they look so unique that it just fits with any color combination in the house, and it just looks like, you know, you can use them as pourers or you can use them as vases, and it's perfect for your house. Yeah, I would like to go to these lovely tumbler mugs. These are the coffee mugs, and I just love how they are carved, and the finish and the rawness again, and the beautiful colors that go with the whole brown and blue effect. And yeah, they are really nicely, like, it's really detailed piece, and it's really easy to hold, and it's perfect for the morning cup of coffee, I would say. Yeah. Then I would like to go to the wine glasses. They're really easy to hold, very lightweight. Again, there is a lot of detailing in the piece. It's carved, and just look at the beautiful colors. It's raw on the outside, and it's perfect for a functional decor, functional as well as a decor piece. And yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, this basically is a nut bowl, I would say. It's a rotating bowl, and they fit like it's again the raw finish, the colors. So basically the whole bold color, the pop art colors effect, and the color combinations is what I've kept in mind. So this is again from a different, very different clay that I have sourced it from somewhere in US, and basically it's a slab made piece, and it's joined with a lot of different components, and it's come together as a vase. And I would say it's a very unique shape. very simplistic and minimalistic design, and it is perfect for any setup in the house. And I think it's perfect for the side table decor. Yeah. So this one, I would call this as a studded vase. I just want you to see the detailed, the finish. I've left the color to be very plain and basic one so that it just shows the detail. I would love for you to see the small dragon shaped effect, the handles that goes with it, and the carvings that I've done on the, and it's made with different slab ways, like parts of slabs, and it's been attached together, and it's come as a vase. So I would call this the dimpled textured tumbler, and this is a pora. It's a very unique textured material, fired. When it is fired, it's given a very unique and a rough texture, which is very it suits any home decor setup. This is a slab built vase. The texture on the outside is raw, but it's a beautiful vase that has come together, adding a lot of different components, and very finely, it's a Greek based theme vase where we've added a touch of blue lines, and it's a very simple and minimalistic, and just look at the shapes and the fall of the whole thing going. It's a very pretty vase. Yeah, the raw finish, the color combinations of these mugs, the bright pop color, plus it's so lightweight, and it's perfect for your morning cup of coffee. And yeah, cheers. This is a slab built vase, and it's my favorite mainly because of the color combination. How sleek is it, and it sets in a very thin shells with a very beautiful decor. The blue colors stand out so well, and it's a very sleek and a nice vase with a lot of detailed work of dragons on it. So these are tiny elephants, and I think I have made this for the love of my elephants, and they look really cute as a home decor product again. And yeah, I mean, they look really well with a set of tools, and yeah, I mean, the color is very unique. These are the Kurinuki tumblers. They are made using different clays to come together to look like a mixture of, I would say it's a very pretty piece. It's hand built, it's hand pinched bowl, tumbler, and just look at the colors, the way it shows, and they're really nicely carved. So it's made with clay using different like 3 to 4 different colors of clay, and this is available on my website, and you can visit me on my page @tatvakala.com. Thank you.